Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make the adorable crayon box within my SVG file. You will begin by uploading the SVG file, which I have right here. We'll insert it as an image. And while it's all selected with the blue box and highlighted, we're going to come over here with the padlock locked, and we're going to change the width to 3.90, which will change the height to 9.005, and that is perfect. The next step is we're going to take the red cut line here, and we're going to convert that into a score line. And it's going to change all of these lines into dots. Okay, then what we can do is, come on, close. Okay, let me just make this a little bit smaller so we can get everything on here. Alright, now what we can do is we will come over here and we're going to select a shape. And I'm selecting the heart. I didn't include this SVG. It's optional. You can do it in Design Space if you like, or you can skip it. So here's the heart, and I'm changing the heart size to the width, and see if the padlock is locked, to 2.894, which will change the other side to 2.3789. Okay, now we can come over and we can select text. I'm going to select Cricut Sans. I'm going to use writing. And the first thing I'm going to do is add my granddaughter's name, since this is who I'm making this for. And her name is Shelby. Okay, and we'll hit enter, and click on the word. And I will put Shelby up here in between the hearts where I like it. Make it a little smaller. It must be inside, whoops. Okay, sorry about that. It must be inside these dotted lines. So you can resize it to what you want. I think I'm going to make it a little bit. That's probably good. And I'm pretty sure you can use a line if you selected both and chose center. Which I guess I pretty had it centered. Okay, so let me zoom back out here. Back out. There we go. And now for this heart, let me just change this so I can see it. We'll change the color. Okay, wait, there we go. And text again. And since I've already had the Cricut Sans writing, I'm just going to write happy. Oh no. Yep. Valentine's and then day. Oop. Let's capitalize the day. And then let's choose alignment and center. Okay. Now we're going to drag this up over to the heart, and we're going to resize it to fit. Don't worry if you can't really see it. You will. Whoop. Sometimes I move faster than the computer. Okay, so now we're just going to center. Okay, we'll center the heart. Alrighty, probably that. And I also want to add Love Grandma, since this is for my granddaughter. And I'm going to probably leave it like that. And we're gonna go over here, grab the font, take it with us, maybe, nope, select undo. This is not keeping up with me. Alright, select the font. What you can do is hide what you're not working on, and that way you're not moving anything that you shouldn't move. There we go. I can highlight Love Grandma. We'll just resize it so we can drag it. And we have to make this smaller. And it's probably going to go right there. Okay. Then the next thing what we have to do is open our eyes back up. And I'm going to change the heart to pink. And the paper to a darker berry. Okay, so now I'm going to click and drag my mouse. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to attach those. Okay, now it's all attached as one piece. Same thing I'm going to do. Well, I could just, oh, forgot the name. There we go. Shelby's name's back. The heart crayon box is there. And I'm just going to hold down the shift key and select the heart crayon box and the name, and I'm going to attach these. Oops. And then we can just come over to make it. And you'll have it on 2 mats, or if you can fit the heart on and just move it over, you can. And the first thing we'll do is the heart. We'll select continue. It's going to ask for the pen. Collect. Okay, and we're going to set our material. And I'm using cardstock. And the first thing we're going to do is the pen, and then we're going to cut. So we load our mat and we will cut that out. Once that's cut out, we will do the next one, and this will be a score first, a draw, and then a cut. You can see the order that they're in right here, and that's what it's going to do. So cut those out, and then I'll meet you over at the table to create it. Okay, now we have the card cut out, or the crayon box cut out. Let's get it off the mat. I find rolling the mat back is the easiest. You don't tear your paper. There we go. And I'm going to keep the hearts, the red hearts on the mat. So I'm going to take those off too. Go, because we can use them for decorating. Okay, we'll set the mat aside and the extra paper aside, and here is our crayon box. Now we just fold. Now I'm going to fold in on all the folds because that's the least resistance, and then you can just turn around and fold it back and give it a good crease. Okay. Oops. some reason. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Then fold it back. And there. And in. Just to give it. There we go. See? Let's keep folding it. All the score lines. There's a little tab here that if you fold out first, and then fold in. There. Okay, so now our box is ready to be put together. So let's start with adding glue to these tabs. Here, they go on the bottom of the box. They're going to attach right here on each side. And one side of the inside tab here. We'll take this, we will fold it in so that the tab touches there. And then for the box side, I'm going to put mine on the outside, and it'll have a nice flush fit. And there you go. Just hold that for the glue to set. And we'll repeat on the other side. There's glue on the bottom. And then let's flip this over. Open up this tab here. Okay, so it's laying flat. So this tab goes inside on the bottom. Just tuck it in there. And then this tab from this side goes on the outside. So just stick some glue on it. There you go. Bring it up. It'll become flush with that. The bottom will be squared off. And just hold it for a second. There we go. Just like that. And then you just fold in this tab. Or you fold it out first, and then you can fold it in. Fold it out, and then fold it in. And you can fold the box together. Like that. And there you go. Then you can add, I just grabbed 8 crayons from her crayon box that she already has. I will be getting her new ones. I'm not going to give her old crayons, obviously, but it holds 8. Could probably get, well, 9 crayons in there if you really wanted to. But being little, it would be easier for her to get the crayons out. And we'll close this up. And then we can do the back. Oh, need a little bit more glue back here. Didn't get all the way to the edge. There we go. There. Okay, now what we're going to do is take our heart that we wrote on the back of, and we're going to glue it to the back of the crayon box. Now you could take this and you can Happy Valentine's Day, love, whoever, you know, and use it for your kids' classroom. And so I'm going to take the hearts that we have left over from the cutout, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to it and just stick them on here just because I have the hearts and I think it looks cute. Cardstock was from Walmart. I'm kind of not too thrilled with it because it shows the white a lot in them. But it's alright. It was affordable. There we go. A bunch of little hearts on here. And then what we're going to do is just glue the back. I love this glue. Does such a great job, and such a little bit comes out. And then we can just stick this right on here, and there we go. There. And I do have pink hearts, so from a box I cut out before, so I think I might just add one around her name. And why not? Hearts are always fun. You don't have to do this, but if you're going to cut out hearts, why not use them? Oops. And we'll get a couple more over here. Can't even see. Should have my glasses on. My granddaughter likes to make hearts, so why not? Let her know she's loved. And I'll just have one more heart floating around here, so we'll just stick that one here. There. And now we have this really cute crayon box all set up. And I think if I could, I don't have my glasses on to put this back in, but there. And I think with this, I will personalize this adorable little bear. I think I'll vinyl her name on here. I'll give it to her as a cute little set. So, and maybe I'll get her a little drawing pad for the other arm. And she'll be all set for $1, $2, $3 Valentine Day gift. Because I'll get the crayons at the dollar store. Or Dollar Tree. That's where he's from. And the little notepad will be there too. And she'll love it. And she's gonna be 5. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can purchase this in the link below on my website. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.